Hello everyone, this is Jordan from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a La Pavoni in, a very rare Pavoni machine, very discontinued, not around anymore. And we worked on this originally with a few leaks, and patched them all up, got it all going. Left the shop, came back, and it was having more issues, more leaks coming out through the bottom. All the rest of the machine works fine. Brewing works great, although there's not much water in the pump right now. There you go. Now we're back. So we just had a lot of leaks coming from this side. The issue is this water tank. It's normal, fine. What the issue was is, let me take it out for you so you can actually see it. And I can kind of explain to you how you would fix it at home. So this gasket, which connects to the bottom of your machine, right here. Sometimes, and I'm trying to see if maybe some sort of lubricant, really sticky lubricant, will help. But when you take the water tank out, it'll actually come out with the water tank, and it's not supposed to. It's supposed to stay in the machine. Now, where the water tank meets with your machine, this is supposed to sit this side up, flat side up. This side has two rivets in it. And so if you put this side in, it's not going to work. If you put this side in, it works fine. But sometimes when you take the water tank out, again, it's nothing, it's just old. Also, your water tank has a broken notch right here, so naturally it will just wobble a bit. But when this comes out with the water tank and you try to put it back in, it just leaks. It doesn't have a good seal. So if you do see it, we use Molly Coat, very sticky thing. It's been working well with it, but put this back in the water tank where the circle's at. Maybe I can actually lift it up and show you. Let's see. So that circle right there where those two screws are at, hopefully it focuses. So right there. So you want to put this back facing this way. And so I'll put it in there so that you can see it. Do this off camera. There you go. So now when you look in there, that gasket is sealing the bottom of the tank. And how it was leaking is, so there's two screws there, but you see the two extra holes there. That's where the water was going through because water was coming back out. So now with that and a little bit of lubricant and or whatever you decide to use to keep it, if you put the water tank in like this, it fits fine and it stops leaking. So it was just leaking from the water tank. Very quick fix. Took me a while to actually find it, but then once I found it, I realized what was happening with the machine. I tried using, again, the stickiest lubricant, food grade lubricant we have, just so I could try to keep the water tank out. So every time you take the water tank out, the gasket doesn't come with you. You put it back in, no leaks, comes out, water tank still, or the gasket's still inside of the machine. You just want to make sure that that gasket stays inside of the machine, doesn't come out with the water tank. If it does come out with the water tank, just put it back in. And yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.